Hey y'all, it's Xavier here and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to episode 5 of First Kill. A lot's happened since, well, not a lot, but something significant has happened since I started watching the show. I took a break for like a few months when I was reacting to other stuff. So that's why this is late. But I was committed to it, so I'm gonna finish the series. Um, but we also heard that this thing is cancelled, right? Let me just confirm. Richard says it was cancelled in August. Right, so that sucks, but why not finish it? Just the same. Right, so let me read. So I need to get my memory jog, so I'm going to read through some of the synopsis here. Under pressure from her parents to swap her blood pills for the real thing, Juliette sets her sights on new girl Cal, who has her own family stress. Right, Juliette is from family of vampires, their legacy, and so they have special powers. And Cal, her full name is Calliope, and she has a family of monster hunters, two brothers. So there might be some adoption there. Mom and dad. Her ex is also a monster hunter, and she got her first kill. And her ex's parents were a higher rank, and there's some talk about some academy or whatever. And her ex's parents got killed when they did this raid on the mansion or whatever. Yeah, it was during Juliette's ceremony, something like that. Yeah, and they captured Juliette's brother, and Juliette also has a sister, and her father is a turned vampire. Huh, I remember a lot, right? The shocking aftermath of Noah's party sparks more questions than answers. Juliette's mother jumps to conclusions. A monster zeroes in on Cal's family. Oh, right. Noah is her. Oh no, sorry. Noah is who her Juliette's bestie was in a thing with whatever, secret relationship, cheating. And someone died at the party, and Juliette took the responsibility so that she could claim her first kill or whatever. Yeah. First fight, Juliette bites off more than she can chew ahead of her big night, while Cal feels a knot of unease as her family prepares for a risky vampire hunt. Right. Alright, that was the episode 3 was the raid on the mansion. First date, Juliette and Kyle contend with a common enemy amid the chaos of the consecration ceremony as sides are chosen, deals are made, and milestones reached. Alright, I think at the end of that episode we saw, right, her brother's girlfriend or whatever, I don't know who she's to him, come in. We also saw that as I said, this confrontation between Kyle's family and Juliette's family over some exchange with the brother, but he ran off, and Juliette and Kyle ran away. Right, so that's what I remember. Okay, so let's get into episode 5 and let's keep at it. So let's get into it.
Hysteria, devastation, crazy uninhibited highs, the crashing lows of withdrawal. It's
Where are they at? At the school?
in the sonnets or pop songs. It was no match for the gods of Olympus,
Yeah, that's where it looks like.
immune to the insanity of first love.
Yeah, that's where it looks like they're at the school. Okay, interesting place to go.
Vampires have a little trick getting past locked doors.
Handy trick. Okay. Suppose there wasn't like an alarm or something. Yeah.
I don't know. He wasn't himself. We talk about something else?
Oh yeah, her father was dying. Yeah, her father was dying, and then he took something from the grandmother. Yeah, I remember that now.
From ancient grudge break to new mutiny, where civil blood makes civil hands unclean.
Ancient grudge. Sounds familiar.
Too familiar.
Oh yeah, very familiar.
If it doesn't work out, we promise to go back to being best friends are the dumbest words ever spoken.
Man, that makes sense a little bit.
My mom kept telling me, it's okay if you like girls. And I was so pissed because I was marrying Bruno Mars.
Okay, Bruno.
Turns out I like girls that look like Bruno Mars.
Does she look like Bruno Mars? Not really. No.
I will always be a hunter.
Alright, she has a tattoo.
Never hunt you.
I forgot about that.
And I will never hurt you.
They're gonna kiss.
The hell was that?
I don't know. Probably just a rat or something. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Yeah, like, come on, that's not a rat.
I want today with you. Let's just try. Okay?
Oh yeah, that's gonna go well.
If you were home, you would know. I will see you in 20 minutes.
Fine. Come. I'm not going with you.
Be outside in 15.
Mom, no.
What?
Stay away, and stay away from Cal's family, too.
If you can't give me that, we're gonna run again. Forever.
Jules, it's Dad. Are you okay?
Dad. Hi.
Oh yeah, she had a different relationship with her dad than her mom. Well,
Me too.
that went well enough. They got what they wanted.
Fan of reality? Okay. Whose reality, Ben? Not your own.
What, she's gonna talk about him cheating?
A straight boy with a girlfriend. Which makes you a side piece in a closet he's not coming out of. I'm sorry.
Have fun playing make-believe.
She was right though. She was right. Juliette is right. Maybe she should have said it a different way, but she was right. Ben is just a side piece.
Malkia saved you, made you full legacy. When are you going to start respecting the traditions of our bloodline?
You took my last name to spite your mother and her traditions, remember?
Oh.
We are not auctioning off our daughter.
Sebastian? Okay. Let's bring the rage down to a 2.
Yes, please. You should.
And no, it's not about love. I'm not sure I even want that, to be honest.
That fits.
There's never been a maid vampire turned legacy before.
Let's just hope the shedding stops before the
Okay, that's what's going on there. He's shedding. Ah, the snake. Okay, yeah. Okay, you didn't need to fling the phone on the ground.
Her sense of humor is how Eleanor handles stress. You won't be able to manhandle her much longer without her responding in kind. She is your grandmother.
Oh. Standing up to her mother. Interesting. Well, she's done it before with the dad, so.
Staking us will not destroy us. Lilith will always protect us. And the Atwoods will forever be the keepers of the Malkia.
Okay, some family chant thing to remember. Okay, oh, so the snake is why they can't be killed the normal way. I see.
So now I gotta get in line behind your girlfriend's grandmother. Are you really doing this again?
You're a side piece, bro. Chill, you can't expect.
We're doing what we always do. Hooking up.
Exactly.
Like it's more than that and we're done. Get me. What the hell was that?
Some kind of orbs. Those aren't orbs. Those are eyes. It's a freaking zombie.
A zombie? Moving that fast? I thought it was like the a vampire that was moving fast. No. Whoops.
Anything for my betrothed.
Let's cut to the chase, Tom.
You need to chill. Where does someone find this?
Yeah, that's normal.
Please stay put until she hits me back. No, I can't get caught with you. He was right.
She was.
And I'm better than some hookup in a random musty gym. And we're screaming about from rooftops.
Yes, you are, son.
Maybe life gets better for you, but it won't get better than me.
Oh, snap. Wow, big talk. What?
I got you.
I know. Got you too.
That was an interesting death he had. That sucks for you, Noah. Oh, she's showing up at the Atwood Mansion, Fairmont Mansion.
I have to assume you got the same call we got this morning.
Let me stay at school and I promise to come straight home.
Try to pick me up and Cal and I will run.
Oh yeah, I was smart enough to leave that part out.
She was.
Oh, new neighbor. Asking about shopping in the historic district.
It's quaint. I still bond with humans.
Well, I play one in real life.
She does. So you gotta keep up appearances.
Jules, it's your girl Smashley.
Oh yes, I knew she looked I knew she looked familiar. That's what I was thinking.
Jules, listen to me. She's not the Ashley you knew.
That's right. Exactly.
Nothing feels normal anymore.
Yep. Good kill.
It's your responsibility to carry on the Atwood lineage.
I'm agreeable to heirs, but I won't sign a contract stating I'll have 10 kids.
I'm sure that won't happen.
Yeah, cause that's wild.
My God, are you alright? That's a lot of your blood.
My first kill. That was my first kill.
Oh boy. Oh right, the blood. The blood? The blood?
I know. But you don't want to hurt me. I know that too.
That's a lot of trust she's placing right there. I would not do the same thing as Cal. I'll tell you that.
I am the keeper of the Emerald Malkia, and you will treat
Like
me.
you deserve to be treated. You need to get the hell out of my house now!
I saved your worthless life, and you will treat me with respect. As will you. Half of you is Atwood. It's time you acted like one.
Oh. What the? Okay, that CGI was not good right there, I'll tell you that.
Monsters are back.
Oh, she's fighting the blood thing. Okay, I get why she's acting that way now.
Just go.
Yeah, run. She's giving you a chance.
What in Lily's name?
My love,
He ate your mother.
I ate her.
Yeah, that's kind of wild.
You and Eleanor and Juliette are my everything, and I will never tolerate an attack of any kind on any of you.
Yeah, but you went too far, bro. You ate somebody. This is weird. Very weird. No cap.
You killed Ashley? She came back to school all rotting and confused. How could you do that?
Did it for you.
What, so she could get her kill?
I thought if you saw that fresh, oozing goodness, your bloodlust would win. And once a girl's dead, like, why not make her a zombie?
Oh yeah, sure, why not?
You tried to force me to bite somebody just like Eleanor did.
I'm nothing like Eleanor.
You kinda like her.
It was her. It was her we saw at Nova's party.
Ah, yes. Thank you.
I want Eleanor's pretty little head on a stake. I'm not sure what you were told, but it was Eleanor that made our parents throw me away.
Yeah. Very believable.
Help me bring Eleanor down, and you and Cal could live happily ever after. No strings attached. Promise.
Interesting choice presented to her. What is she gonna do? Alright, so that was episode 5 of First Kill. The title First Severing. Says efforts to keep Juliette and Cal. Oh no, sorry. First Love, my bad. Cal and Juliette have a heart-to-heart after seeking a safe haven. A strange threat stalks the school. Negotiations over Eleanor's future turn cutthroat. Yeah, so that was both interesting, both good and bad. Not gonna lie. Some of the CGI, okay, I understand that budget constraints, like I said, from because I only watched the show because I saw a tweet about they said that a barely there budget to work with for this. So okay, I'm forgiving that. So, but I don't know, some of the acting kind of threw me off in this episode. Not gonna lie. Like the first 4, yeah, that was good, but this one it was kind of wavy. I don't know, up and down. I don't know. I didn't really think that. Yeah, to be honest. What did we see this episode? A recap we saw. Cal and Juliette at school. They heard something. The kids didn't heard something. They were talking about the thing and they're joking about, well, what's it? And then so they called their families. They said, we're inside school. Don't come for us. What they were doing at school was they were painting sets for this Romeo and Juliet play. Ben was there. He confronted Juliet, and Juliet gave him some truths. Ben needed to end this thing with Noah because it was gonna go nowhere. She was right. She might have said it too roughly, but she was right. We see that the father, Juliet's father, yes, he's going through some changes over this whole making him a legacy thing. And so that played out. I mean, move to that. That played out is that so Davenport's game over. They're doing their negotiations. They still chit chat everything, and they're interesting. They had the blood servant, so interesting touch. So they just had the hire people to just drink their blood whenever they want. So interesting. Would never have thought of that, but no, makes sense if you're rich enough and you sign like an NDA or whatever. Yeah, it works. I dig it. Right, so negotiations broke down about kids. Everything just went badly after that. So Davina was chasing after Eleanor. The father, I don't remember his name. Sebastian, right? Sebastian. They were arguing, and then Davina went too far for Sebastian, and then he ate her, and that was a horrible scene because the CGI was bad. So, but I'm forgiving it because I understand, but it was not good. everything was fine up to that scene, and then it kind of went off track there. Right, so negotiations done. The mother and the father kissed. Margot and Sebastian, and then yeah, kind of weird. When she found out her mother was dead, she kissed her husband who ate her mother, and no one of them reacted sadly. They were just like, "Oh, cool, we get more power now." Eleanor, you need to keep her rating on the stake, so yeah, you. Weird, but whatever. Okay, so the school, Noah and Ben break up, and then Noah says he can't be caught with Ben, runs away, gets himself killed by the zombie. There's a fight between the zombie, which was Smashley, and Cal and Jules. Cal got her first kill. Big up Cal. Love that for you. And then, so they're doing this whole thing where Juliette is struggling with the blood and everything, and she's about to attack Cal, and she told Cal to run when they were disposing of the zombie body, right? And then Oliver shows up. Juliette gets Cal to run away, and Oliver proposes that he and Juliette team up to take down Eleanor. So, interesting proposal. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but yeah. So, up until that scene where the father eating the mother, everything was fine for me. Everything was working. The acting was fine. It wasn't exceptional, but it was fine. Everything was working. I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know, that ruined it. That sounded it a little bit for me. Not gonna lie. Yeah. The fight scene between Kyle, Jules, and Ashley. Acceptable. Yeah. I'll give it a pass. It works. It works for me. But yeah, and then Oliver's acting. The guy who played Oliver. It's kind of mediocre. Average. Yeah. That's the best I'm giving him right there. But yeah. Oh, we found out that I thought that it was her, the witch Carmen, thought it was that she who had killed Ashley at the party night. That was it, the first episode or the second episode. But no, it was actually Oliver who had done it, and he was planning to give Juliette her first kill. But yeah, whatever. But yeah, okay. So not a good episode. Average. The first 4 are better, but you know, nothing can ever be no bad thing. Sometimes we're not always consistent, so we'll see all the final 3 episodes play out. Yeah, so we'll see. Those are my thoughts, and goodbye.